In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom field in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page where your available Odoo applications are displayed. This is the area where you can access the different modules installed in your system. From there, scroll down until you find the customization section. In that section, click on Studio. Odoo Studio is the tool that lets you customize forms, fields, and layouts without needing to manually edit code. So this is where the custom field will be created. Once Studio opens, navigate to the form view where you want to add the new field. Make sure you're in the correct view before continuing, since the field will be placed directly into that form. Next, look at the Studio panel and click the Add tab. Under New Fields, you'll see different field types you can use. Choose the field type that matches the kind of information you want users to enter. For example, if you want the field to store written information, select Text. After choosing the field type, drag that field from the New Field section and drop it into the exact place on the form where you want it to appear. As soon as you add it to the form or list view, Odoo Studio creates the new field and adds it to the model automatically, which makes this process very efficient. Now that the field is on the form, go to the field's properties and enter the label you want users to see. For example, you might use additional information. This label is important because it helps make the form clear and easy to understand for anyone entering data. At this point, configure any available field properties you need. Depending on the field type, you may be able to set options like widget, invisible, required, or read-only. These settings help control how the field behaves and whether users must fill it out. If developer mode is enabled, take a moment to check the technical name of the new field. Odoo automatically assigns Studio-created fields a name with the xstudio-like prefix. This can be useful if you ever need to reference the field later in more advanced configurations. When everything looks good, click Close in the upper right corner of Studio. You'll return to the normal Odoo application view. From there, click New to create a record, or open an existing record. Locate the custom field you added, and enter the appropriate information to test it. Your custom field is now added to the Odoo form and ready for use. Thanks for watching.